Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a fun activity to go along with the book Play by Veronica Stanley Hooper. This story is about how play is a child's work, and the kids in the story dress up as different community helpers. So today I put a bunch of tools in my bag, and I call this my mystery bag. I like to use mystery bags during circle time to introduce books. And so I've put in some tools, and kiddos get a chance to pull out a tool and say what community helper might use that tool. Stay tuned tomorrow because I'll have a post activity for after the book that will kind of extend this activity. So let's get started. All right, friends, what community helper might use an oven mitt? That's right, a chef or a baker. How about a hand shovel? A gardener? What's this for? Anybody recognize this? This goes around, he doesn't want to do it right now, but it goes around a dog or cat or an animal's head after they have a procedure, like a surgery, so that they don't lick themselves. How about this? Thermometer, a nurse or a doctor, right? How about a stethoscope? Who uses this tool? That's right, a nurse, doctor, or a vet. How about this stretchy band? This one's kind of tough, a physical therapist. How about this tool? Measuring tape. Many people might use this, including your mom and dad at home, but construction workers often, or people who have to build, use measuring tape. And what about this tool? Magnifying glass. Scientist, perhaps? I hope that you can use this activity before reading the book Play by Veronica Stanley Hooper, and join us tomorrow because I have an extension for you.
Thank you for joining me today. Remember to like and subscribe to support our channel.